Hi everyone, thank you so much for stopping by today. Today I have my nail shack. This is so wonderful. They keep on sending these to me. I am so grateful. While I take the package out, let me tell you about Nail Shack. Nail Shack is on Cratejoy, first off. They also, where else did I see them? Oh, Instagram. If you follow DIY Nail Shack on Instagram, and like some of the nail reps that you see, they do make an effort to send you at least one that you have liked that is available. The adult pack is $9.95, kid pack $8.75 a month. Your Nail Shack pack will include 4 full sets of nail wraps, nail stickers, however you want to call that, 1 cuticle pusher, and 1 nail file. This is how it comes packaged beautifully. And I do share these for giveaway. I might keep like 1 set for me. And now that I'm doing the dip powder, I'm still going to keep a set because I'm not going to quite get rid of my nail polish just yet because I might use some of it. So this is the file and cuticle pusher, cute. So I always save them. Let me get a little look at these. Wow, these are nice. Ooh. Okay, let's do these first. These are cute. Nice. I like. These are adorable too. It's like stars and the almost like galaxy-ish. But nice like purples, right? Purple. This is cute. It seems like purple is the theme. Like the purple marbleized look. Nice. These are adorable. Like the the white and the purple glitter. What's that to, if I had to pick a favorite? I don't know. Honestly. If I had to pick a favorite. Oy, I like these. The most, I think. Is that like blue or is that purple? It's so hard to tell in these bright lights. I think it's like a purple theme. I doubt that they're blue. Sometimes I have to like hold them up against something blue or like in a deeper tone. A lot of times when I take the photo of the items, then I can tell, but that kind of looks more blue than purple. But you never know. I try to get it away from the other purple items. It could be like a blue and purple. I have no idea. They're probably my favorite out of this month's sets right here. Let me hold them up. So that's what I received this month. So I will keep 1 set for me, and I only do accent. I don't do all of them, but you could. And I save this because I don't use that. And I save this cute little bag. And I also save this. So then I can just start collecting for a giveaway. And then I just reship in the Nail Shack bag out to you. Rather than put it into waste right away, let's reuse it. And then it can be tossed. That's that. So I think I have to wait another month or 2. Save up some. I know I have some, but I don't think enough to. I like to do at least 3 winners. I think now I have enough for 2 winners. So maybe after next month I'll be able to do a giveaway again. I love sharing all these. I am the type of person that my good fortune turns to your good fortune, and I will always share. Like I said, I'll have 3 sets and this to share. So once I can send you 4 sets out, then I will do a giveaway, which I'm close, I think. But I think after next month, after February, I'll definitely be able to do a giveaway. So I love sharing with all of you. There's no way I could keep all of this stuff, and I'd rather share it and do as a giveaway and get these items and products out to all of you and let you enjoy some of them. I know not everyone can afford all these. I mean, I surely could not afford all of these. I mean, I buy enough, but watching my budget this year on boxes and trying not to overdo it with the mystery boxes. I'm buying this and buying that. So I'm being more selective, which is good. So I appreciate you watching. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see all of you in my next video. Bye-bye now.